Good morning, it is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video. Market opens up here in less than 1 minute, so we'll see what happens. I will do my best to capture entry points live and exit points. All right, I have 600 shares right now at an average of 19.85. Looking to build a bigger position here, as I think this thing's gonna at least head over $20 temporarily. So we'll see if that indeed happens or not. But that's just that's my thoughts currently. So we'll see if it can bounce up there and get above. Okay, got some more. Now I'm at, like I said, I'd like to build a bigger position here. Now I'm at a 1974 average. So I just have some orders out there if it does bounce up at all. Still just 900 shares, so I mean, even if it goes in my direction, it's not like it's going to be anything huge, but we'll see what happens. So there we got some of them sold there. Got some more, and there we are back. And oh, well, I wasn't careful enough there. I put too many of my orders out there, it looks like, on the offer and totally took myself out. Well, oh well, it is what it is. I'm going to keep watching this one. Let's see what happens. Have an order into short 500, just a small starter position at 21.35. Maybe a little too conservative right now. Looking like it wants to get through 21, but not sure if it will. But I have my order up there to start to build if it can break. So we'll see what happens, but that's the current fishing order I have out there. Okay, I went ahead and just shorted 500 at 20.62, and that 20.50 is actually making me very nervous. So I'm just gonna, I mean, it was absorbing a lot of size. So I just decided to hop out there. Well, I still have 100 shares left. Yeah, you know, I could be wrong here, but like I said, that this area, just watching the level 2, is absorbing all sorts, and now I can't even get filled for 100 shares down there. So that's kind of telling me all I need to know about that area there, and it's looking like I made the right move. Now it's up to, now it's almost just toying with me. Won't even let me get my final 100 shares out. Big volume right here, and it absorbed that all. All right, so I'm all out there. Who knows, maybe it'll collapse here, but like I said, I didn't feel comfortable with it the way the level 2s were just absorbing. Still even now, I mean, look at all this, and there's the break, but wasn't worth it to me to wait there and then get caught in some, you know, big move to the upside. So I'm still totally fine with it. Okay, whoops, just got filled there at 49. So once again, looking to build a bigger size position here, if I can. So I took off 200 shares there. See if it can pull back some more there. Oh, look, they gave me 4 out of my 100 shares. Isn't that nice of them? That's irritating. So now I have 196 shares left. All right, let's see what happens here. If it wants to keep on moving up, I'll just start rebuilding the short position again. That's totally fine by me. I don't have a problem with that at all. Try to get some off there at 42. Okay, so I have 96 shares left because of this one up here only gave me 4. So looking like I'll be able to start. I'm just going to cancel that order and I'm going to start to build again at these higher levels. If it wants to get up there. So I'll look to sell short 300 up at 2079. Now it looks like it might be falling down here. Let's see what happens. See if I can just get out. That was 96 at 31. All right, all out there. So a goofy $64, but yeah, that's what happens when you kind of only get those partial fills. So let's see what else is out there. Have a couple fishing orders out there. Another one on AERI to short 500, and then one here on COTY trying to buy this pullback here. So that's down there at 29.01. I will keep you updated. Okay, I have an order to pick some up at 18.71. Looking for a quick move if it can break down through the $19 mark on AAVL. Traded this one already a couple times. So we'll see if it can break down through 19. So I'll let the video roll as would be expected. Quite a bit of support there. All sorts of volume going off right around here. And there's the break. Looks like 1871 may be been a little bit. Look at the big volume down here. Biggest volume it's had all day. All right, I'll pause it. I'll keep you updated. Well, it's just a little bit past 10, so I'm up 269 for the first 30 minutes of the day. I'll try to capture one more trade, but quickly want to just answer the question that I get most common. How do I find these stocks? You know, what sort of tools am I using? And that's, you know, by far the most popular question. So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about those tools that I use to find these setups and such. So if you're interested in that, I'll take you to a link real quick, and you can check that out. Like I said, it's totally free. Just click on that button and it'll take you to the guide. We'll email it to you right away. And that just goes over, like I said, the tools that I use to find setups that I think have some profit potential. So if you think that can add some value to you as a trader, then again, like I said, just click right there and we will email it to you. So let's, like I said, I want to try to at least capture one more trade here. Okay, I shorted, let me actually get some things in place here. Shorted 300 CI at 152.08. So I'm looking to let these ones move down. I already did lock in some profits there at 151.87. Have another order out at 151.81. Actually, what I'm going to do is put in a stop for 200 right there. Oh, and I'm out. So didn't quite turn out the way I was hoping it for, but like I said, want to put in the stop, and if it wanted to keep on moving down, that would have been fine by me. But still, I guess made $33 on it in about 30-40 seconds or so, so I won't complain about that. But I am going to wrap things up here. So let's see, it is 10:33 a.m. Eastern time, so an hour into the day. I am up 311 on the day, so not a bad first hour. So again, if you want that guide, you know, just click on that link. And thanks for watching. Get out there and trade without emotion.